Hi children, hope all are fine. In the previous class, we were discussed about the story of Rahul. I hope all of you got your textbook. How many times you read this chapter? 4, 2, 3. Wow, very good. Okay, then let's start our class today. Okay. Then, before that, open your textbook and take the page number 5. All of you open your textbook and take the page number 5. Do it fast. Okay, now you can see some questions with options. You can see some questions with options. The first question, Rahul's father was a retired dash. Rahul's father was a retired dash. There are 3 options, farmer, pilot and army officer. Farmer, pilot and army officer. Which one is correct? Yes, army officer. Army officer. And Rahul was sensitive to his parents' feelings. Second one, Rahul was sensitive to his parents' feelings. There are 2 options, true and false. We know that Rahul was very close to his family. That means Rahul was sensitive to his parents' feelings is, yes, the answer is true. The third one, the family ate in the enamel plates from the army canteen. This indicates that they were very rich. The family ate in the enamel plates from the army canteen. That means the plates are too old. That means their family was not rich. Then which one is the answer? Yes, false. The fourth one, Rahul's father owned a farm. Rahul's father owned a farm. Which one is correct, true or false? Yes, true. Then, fifth one, Rahul's decision was that he wanted to be a, there are 3 options, farmer, doctor, engineer. Which one? Yes, he wanted to be a farmer. Sixth one, Rahul's father wanted him to be, there are 3 options, an IAS officer, an electronic engineer and a farmer. Which one? Yes, a farmer. Then, what according to Rahul's father were the benefits of living on a farm? What according to Rahul's father were the benefits of living on a farm? We already discussed this. What are the benefits? Clean, healthy and wonderful life away from all the noises and smoke of the cities. We know that. So, which option is correct? Yes, all of the above, because the 3 are benefits of living on a farm. So, which one is correct? All of the above. Okay. All of you understood? Okay. And the next activity, complete the sentences. Okay. All of you look into your textbook. The next activity is complete the sentences. The first one, Rahul walked home from the station because Rahul walked home from the station because we know that Rahul's home 6 kilometers away from the town. Then why he walked home from the station? Anybody can say this answer? What? Yes, correct. It gave him the chance to prepare himself to talk to his father regarding the profession of his choice. Very good. Because it gave him the chance to prepare himself to talk to his father regarding the profession of his choice. Okay. It gave him the chance to prepare himself to talk to his father regarding the profession of his choice. Okay. Then second one, Rahul's mother cried. Rahul's mother cried because dash. Rahul's mother cried because dash. If you read the story very carefully, definitely you can answer this question. Why did she cry? Yes, she was happy to see her son back after a long time. Okay, because she was happy to see her son back after a long time. Okay, she was happy to see her son after a long time. And third one, Rahul's father had some problems at the farm. These were, Rahul's father had some problems at the farm. These were, the first class I discussed his problems with you. Anyone can remember that? What? Yes. What is? Less crops and extra expenditures. Less crops and less expenditures. Rahul's father was unable to cope up with all this alone. What is? Less crops and extra expenditure. Rahul's father was unable to cope up with all this alone. Okay. I hope all of you understood. Okay. Then write these two activities 2 times in your notebooks. Okay. And one more work for you. Listen here. You want to find out some words meaning. Okay. I will give the words. Okay. You want to find out some words meaning. First one, bear. Second one, flesh. Third one, went. Fourth one, cured. Fifth one, premature. Next one, tooted. And next one, tumbling out. And the last one, competitive. Okay. Find out the meanings of these words. Listen, all of you write the meanings in English. Okay. You can do the activities by the help of your dictionary. Okay. Then all the activities write in your notebook and send to the Google Classroom within 4 days. Okay. If you have any doubt, you contact me personally. Okay. So it's the time to wind up our class today. Thank you. Have a nice day.